Synergy Equipment offers a variety of Snyder Stackable oil container systems to help you with your storage needs. Here's a walkthrough on how to assemble these systems. The kits for these come with stackable containers, a stand frame, 4 stand legs, a drip tray holder, 4 drip trays, 4 tray screens, bolt kits, hoses, elbow kits, hose clamps, straight hose barbs, 90-degree hose barbs, and either brass or stainless steel spring valves. These oil stackers come in a variety of sizes ranging from 60 gallons to 360 gallons. You can stack up to 360 gallons of any tank combination. We will be stacking 2 120-gallon tanks in this video, but these instructions are applicable to all Snyder Stackable oil container assemblies. Before or during assembly, make sure to use sealant and sealant tape on all threaded parts of the kit. Start assembly by screwing in the 4 legs into the bottom of the stand frame. Then place the stand upright with the holes and lip of the frame facing forward. Stack the containers on the stand. Move to the bottom of the stand and get the drip tray frame in place about halfway up the stand legs. Use the bolt kit to secure the frame in place. Then insert the 4 drip trays and screens. To install the plumbing, take out a plug on all tanks. Then screw in a 90-degree hose barb into every container but the bottom one. Grab an elbow kit, put the small washer on the screw, then push the screw through a hole on the lip of the stand. Place the larger washer on the screw, then screw the elbow onto it and the straight hose barb onto the top of the elbow. Repeat this process for all elbow kits provided. Grab a hose and put a hose clamp on one end of it and connect it to the 90-degree hose barb and tighten the clamp. Then put a clamp on the other end of the hose, connect it to the straight hose barb and tighten the clamp. Repeat for every container but the bottom one. Finally, screw a spring valve into the bottom container and onto all 90-degree elbows. Setup is now complete. For more information on Snyder Stackable oil container systems or to order, call us at 833-220-7307 or go to synergyequipment.com.